I'm gonna teach you something very interesting and nice. What could it be? I'm gonna teach you something that you can make very quickly and that will hold your memories forever. I'm gonna teach you very quickly how to make fridge magnet photo frame. These fridge magnet photo frames are very good idea for gifting your friends, or you could also put it in your scrapbooks. You can just gift it as it is. You can use it for explosion boxes, and you can use it in all the ways that you can think of putting it in. So it is really multi-purpose and multifunctional and very small and handy and looks very cute. So let's get started.
Materials you would require to make the photo frame are, well, I've got a new cutting board, so I'll be using the craft cutter. We'll be using embellishments. I'll be using small clips. You'll require a photo, and most importantly we will need foam sheets, glue and scissors. I'm going to make a photo frame of 4 by 4 inches. So I'm going to mark 4 by 4 on my plain pink sheet and on the glitter foam sheet. Now I will make the markings on the purple color foam sheet, which I will be cutting, that will form my frame like this. Now I will have to cut 3 strips so that the insertion of the photo becomes very easy and it can slide in through. So I will cut 3 strips and I will stick it on the edges of the purple foam sheet. I'm done cutting with my pieces. Now I'll be using a OHP sheet and I'll be cutting the OHP sheet of the same size as my frame, as I will be putting it on my frame so that it gives a nice transparent effect and the photo also would not get dirty inside. I've stuck the OHP sheet to my frame. Now I will stick all the pieces together and put the frame together. Now I am going to stick a magnet on the pink side. It is a very small but a very powerful magnet. Now the frame is ready with the magnet. Now I will add on few embellishments to my frame, like a smiley stick-on. Now I'm going to customize this frame with my name. So I have a stick-on alphabets that I will be using on my frame. Now I will be adding 2 small clips to my photo frame so that it can hold any, say, a note or any extra photo that you want along with your photo frame. Now take the photo, cut it to the size required and slide it in your photo frame. I hope you liked my video. Please do share, subscribe and comment in the comment section below. And please do press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.